Are you going to count them? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yay! High five!
Dada.
Oh, Tata, good girl. Give me a high five.
Clean up.
Clean up.
Clean up.
Everybody.
2,
3.
3.
You going to count them ones going in? Oh, you just took your clip out. I'm going to put them all in. Clip. And that one. Okay.
Oh, 1.
And that one over here.
2.
1, 2,
2.
3.